Good morning. It's 15 minutes before 10 o'clock now. And as you can see, one of my niece, my beautiful niece, is doing the task. One of the tasks of a farmer after harvesting the rice. What is being done is this spread under the sun for a whole day. If the sun is so bright, there it is being spread under the sun, and then in the afternoon it will be placed again in a sack to be milled, no? Once it is milled, it's already a rice, no? So you see how what are the tasks being done before it turned into a rice and being sold in the market. Nowadays, the price is a bit higher, unlike before. Here in our province, the per kilo is 50, no? 50 per kilo ang rice. 57, okay? So you see, even if it's harvest time, still the price of rice here is 57 per kilo. However, when it is still palay, no? 20 pesos and 30 centavos per kilo. So you know that you see the difference, because bago ito nagiging rice ay napakadami pang task na ginagawa. Katulad nito, hindi biro ito, right? You have to make sure na the sun is so bright bago ito mailatag, no? Kasi once na ilatag na hindi malakas ang araw, biglang umuulan. So pag umulan, the farmer should be hurry up in making sure na hindi maulanan. Kasi pag naulanan, ang bigas ay nangingitim, in which the price is a bit lower, no, than the prevailing price. Ayan. So, ayan. Ilalatag yan ng manipis para ang pagkalatag dapat very thin, no? Para madali siyang matry, ready for milling in the afternoon. Ayan. So, ayan yung inani sa aming maliit na sakahan, no? Ayan, part of our supply for rice is coming from our rice field, no? Hindi na kami bumibili ng bigas here in the province. As part of the harvested palay ay binibenta namin, and then nagtitira lang kami ng for our consumption, good for the next harvest time. Ayan. So again, I hope you will like, subscribe, and share my videos that I am sharing. Good morning to all of us.